What would Gadadhar speak about? He spoke about Dhruva Charitra. He spoke Dhruva Charitra and Prahlad Charitra. Dhruva Charitra is the fourth canto of the Bhagavatam, describing the story of the little boy Balak Dhruv. He was a 5-year-old boy. He was a great king, and he became like a yogi to do tapabalam, intense austerities and penances to attract the attention of Bhagavan. And of course, you know the story. And then Prahlad Charitra is 7th canto Bhagavatam, the son of the Rakshas king Hiranyakashipu, who was terrorizing the universe because of his greed. And so Nrsingadev came and liberated him to protect his devotee Bhakta Prahlad. So it's told, and the Chaitanya Bhagavat by Vrindavan Das Thakur, that the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Tota Gopinath, he heard the story from Gadadhar Pandit. He heard the story of Prahlad Charitra, means the story of Prahlad Maharaj. He heard 100 times. And he heard the story of Dhruva 100 times. So he was hearing Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. It wasn't like, oh, this is boring. I'm God. I'm Mahaprabhu. I'm in Mahabhav. I want to hear the Ras Leela. Lord Chaitanya is hearing 100 times the story of Dhruva from the mouth of Gadadhar Pandit in the Tota Gopinath.